Hey folks, welcome to Sawnee Mountain Motors Online. Man, you will not believe how nice this car is when you see it. This one even blew me away. 2020 Infiniti QX60. The car is just exceptional. It's got 113,000 miles on it. It's a nice value-based luxury car. 3 rows, and you'll feel like you spent $1 million when you see this car and drive it. But it is obviously nowhere close to that. Fully serviced. We go through every car we sell. They either come with really good, nice tires, or we put new tires on them. These are in great condition already. But look at that paint. No scratches or dings, dents, rips, tears. We go through them with our shop. Exchange all the fluids, the filters. All you North Georgia, North Carolina, Tennessee folks, this one's an all-wheel drive for you. And make sure they drive as they're supposed to with no issues, no leaks, no rattles, no bangs, no shakes, no vibrations, no smells, no weird odors at all. Thing smells like a new car, looks like a new car, super highly appointed. Sunroof. Wait till you see this interior. Look at that. Those seats are like no one ever sat in them. It's got both keys, both remotes. Sunroof. Just an exceptionally nice used vehicle. 113,384 miles. We have a white one that is just about as nice as this one too. You got your rear audio controls right there. Love the beige and the black together. It looks really nice. Infiniti QX60. There's your 3rd row seating. If you don't need the seats, you put it down and use it for cargo space. He lets you look at the passenger side. Guys, you can always check the Carfax report. A couple days after our cars go through the shop, it tells you what was done to all of our cars. And this video is on our website. Also, you can find it on our YouTube channel if you want to check out any of our other cars. And as always, you can call me, Mike Stout, anytime on my cell. I answer usually day or night. 404-867-5028. Appreciate you guys looking. Have a nice night. Bye.